Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You are watching Trading Empire and today I am going to show you how price action trading works and how TLS, our defined strategy, works. So this video is going to be very educational. If you want to learn price action trading, supply and demand trading, or technical analysis, please subscribe our channel Trading Empire. I will show you the facts of the market, and I will show you how price action works. So let's get started. I am on the Euro NZD pair, and this is 4 hourly chart, and this is live market in front of you, and I am doing live trading in front of you. So I took a trade from this level. You can see that I sold the market with the 0.01 lot size, and here is my stop loss and here is my profit. So let's talk about the factors that involved behind this trade. So let's get started. The first thing is, you can see that market is going downside. The momentum is bearish, the momentum is downward, and sellers are in control. Sellers are controlling the market. You can see that market creating lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So this is how it works in the downtrend. The first factor is the trend is bearish. Okay, first factor is the trend is bearish. What is the second factor? Second reason behind this trade is this key level. Look at this. Market took rejection from here. We have a support here, and finally market broke down, reversed back to this area, show some rejection, and drop down and pull back to same area and show us the rejection, and hopefully it will fall further down. So the second reason is this important key level. Okay, first thing is the trend is bearish. Second thing is we have a key level. What is the third reason? The third reason is this bearish channel. You can see that. Let me highlight. We have a bearish channel here. Market respecting this channel for quite some time. So the third reason is this bearish channel. Okay, let's talk about the fourth reason. The fourth reason is we have a bearish pin bar, or you can see that bearish rejection bar on this important area of value. Area of value means where we have to find the trades. We have channel resistance, we have key level resistance. At the same time we have a pin bar as a bearish price action signal. So we should took that trade that will go in your favor. So these are the factors that involved in this trade. So let's talk about this trade fulfill our TLS strategy or not. I told you in previous video, TLS strategy defines the 3 points. T means trend, L means level, and S means the signal. So first thing is T, trend. Trend is bearish, you can see that. L, level. We have a nice level here. We have a nice level here. So third thing is the signal. We have a pin bar as a bearish price action signal. So this trade, this setup fulfill our TLS criteria. So this is our defined strategy that works most of the times. So this is very powerful price action strategy, TLS strategy. This trade setup fulfill our TLS strategy criteria, so that's why I took this trade. So let's talk about the risk to reward ratio of this trade. Let me show you. Risk to reward ratio is quite decent. You can see that we have almost 3 or 1 to 3 our risk to reward ratio. So this is a very good trade if it hits our take profit. Currently market running in 30 pips of profit, and it rejects back from this demand zone. So I am teaching you price action, so leave this demand or supply for now. We will talk about later why market jump back to upside, because we have a nice demand zone here. So leave it for now. We will discuss it later on. So I still hope that market will drop down from this level. We have a strong area of value here, so hopefully market will drop down from this level. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.